If you're a beginner investor in Ghana, usually safety comes first, but you also want your money to grow. That's why in this video, we are looking at the Stanbic Investment Management Services, also known as SIMS. We will be breaking down what SIMS is, the types of investment funds they offer, the strengths, the risks, and how beginners can get started. This is part of the ongoing series on this channel where we explore investment opportunities we have here right in Ghana. Let's dive right into it. Stanbic Investment Management Services is an investment management company in Ghana. It's part of the Stanbic Bank and Standard Bank Group, which already gives it a strong level of credibility and structure. SIMS pulls money from investors and professionally invests them into things like government treasury bills, bonds, and other fixed income instruments. Instead of trying to invest on your own, experienced professionals manage your money for you. SIMS is legalized and regulated in Ghana. Means this is legitimate and structured investment platform in Ghana. The first fund they offer is the Stanbic Cash Trust Fund. This is the money market fund, focuses on safety, liquidity, and short-term returns. It invests mainly in treasury bills, short-term deposits, and low-risk instruments. You can start with a small amount and you can access your money relatively easy. This fund is best for emergency savings, short-term goals, and beginners who want a very low-risk investment opportunities. However, because it focuses on safety, it's not designed for aggressively long-term growth. And the second major fund is the Stanbic Income Fund Trust. This fund is designed for medium to long-term investing. It invests more in government bonds, corporate bonds, and long-term fixed income securities. Compared to the Cash Trust Fund, this is a slightly higher risk and promises a higher return potential. This fund is suitable if you are investing for future goals. You don't need the money immediately and you are willing to stay invested for years. The main strength of SIMS includes low entry barrier. You don't have to have a lot of money to be able to start investing with them. Secondly, professional fund managers. Professionals are the ones who manage your money for you. You don't have to do a lot of work. Thirdly, it has a strong institutional backing. It being part of the Stanbic and Standard Bank Group adds stability and trust to it. It encourages long-term discipline. This is about patience and consistency. It's not a quick end scheme. Now let's talk about the realities. Every investment opportunity comes with its own risks. Firstly, returns are not guaranteed. Performance depends on interest rates and economic conditions. Secondly, this is not a savings account, especially for the income fund, because you don't invest money, you may need agency. Thirdly, returns may feel slow if you are expecting a quick profit. SIMS is best for people who understand that wealth is built over time. Here's how you can start investing with SIMS. First of all, you have to choose a fund you want to go with. If you want safety and easy access to your money, then go with the Stanbic Cash Trust Fund. But if you want a medium to long-term growth and you can leave your money invested for a while, choose the Stanbic Income Fund Trust. After choosing a fund you want to go with, you have to go to any Stanbic Bank branch and tell them you want to open a Stanbic Investment Management Services account. Or you can contact Stanbic or SIMS Customer Services and request assisted registration. These are the stuff you will need: your Ghana card, contacts, email address, and some personal information. And after your account is open, you can fund it through bank transfers, standing order, or a deposit through Stanbic bank accounts. You can start small and invest consistently. It can be monthly, weekly, or anytime you want. Once you've invested, you can track your balance through statements, top-ups when possible, but focus on consistency, not daily check-ins, because this is a long-term journey. Personally, I see SIMS as an option for beginners in Ghana who want stability and structure. I wouldn't put all my money in one place because diversification is very, very important. And at this point, my microphone decided to leave us, so I have to do voiceover for us to finish our conversation. As I was saying, diversification is very important. but seems can definitely be part of a balanced investment plan. If you are patient and disciplined, this could work well for you. And also, you have to also know that investing doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need to know everything before you start. You just need to start wisely. And note that this video is for educational purposes only, and it reflects my personal learning journey. It's not a financial advice. And if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and share it with someone who you want to see them leveling up in their finances. See you next time with another powerful set of insights. Bye.